Hey guys, we've just done a live show with UKODI1 where we talked with all the builders and they showed you one of each of their builds. So I put together a little video to show you some of the other builds they have in their wizard. After you've seen them all, I'll show you how to install them. So what do you think, guys? Lots of great ones in there. So let's go get their wizard. So you're going to go over to your file manager. Click on Add Source. Click the box that says None. Type in http://UKODI1.com/wizard. Make sure your spelling's correct and then hit Done. Click in this box to rename. And you can name this anything you like. Now hit Done and hit OK or Save. And then you can hit back and you'll need to go into Install from Zip File. And scroll down till you find it. And click on the plugin zip. So it's a plugin. Takes a little bit longer, and then you'll get a pop-up. And there's your pop-up. And there's your message. You get a pop-up here, hit dismiss, and then choose the things you want to save here. I like to keep all my logins, and you can click whitelist if there's any add-ons you want to save. Then hit continue. Now click on the build menu. So here you go, they have one for Leia, that's the Dragonfire, and the Krypton builds are down below. So make sure to pick your favorite one. There's also more that aren't in the video, so feel free to check them out. I've decided to go with the Dragonfire for today's video. That's by UKODI1. And make sure you click on Fresh Install and hit Continue. Now click Force Close. Now reopen Kodi. And there it is. So give it a minute to load up, and there's your fire-breathing dragons. Pretty cool, right? So let me show you how to get to the wizard. So you go over to System, and right down below in the sub-menu you can click on the wizard. So if you want to change builds, you can come in here and you can grab another one if you want to try them out. Really great stuff. I really like this team. If you've missed the live show and you want to know more about them, I'll link it in the description. So there you go, you guys are all set. Hope you guys enjoy UKODI1, and I'll see you on my next one.